like he knows what he's fucking doing, mate. There's a fucking ladder. Hold on to it. Grab it. Grab it. Grab the new bike reveal. This is definitely it. It's definitely this bike. I'm not trolling anyone. Oh, who's calling me? Hello? What's up? Oh, there goes my phone. Hang on. I'm going to get out of range of my phone. Couldn't fucking hear him. It was like crackling when you took off. You ride this one, and I'll drive. No. But you gotta go poop. Watch out, boys. There's a tree. Big wheel spin there. I mean, y'all can go down the hill if you want. I mean, you might as well. Golf course neighborhood with these pretentious. Good day, gentlemen. You know how much one of these is worth, Ray? Have you seen Craigslist? Easily worth $9,000. I definitely can't go off that. My fake carbon fiber would just shatter, boys. Is there traffic coming now? Are you just telling me that to kill me? He looked right out for that. He's not. This guy is not. He doesn't think you're funny. Okay, you knock it off with your shenanigans, boys. Yeah! Watch out, here comes the mean car. I called it a mean car, I didn't know what else to call it. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you bitch. Watch your head, Anthony! New bike reveal, everyone. This is it, man. This is the new bike. It's okay, Ray. Your bike is fine. Ray, I made it out. I'm gonna kill y'all. Great DRZ. That's like the cleanest. DRZs are never clean. They're always cans. Am I your fucking backpack assistant now? Your arms don't bend enough. Ah! Ah! The death peg! I'm on the death peg! Oh! Yeah, Chris! I can make it! Oh, I can feel the poofs of it. I can feel the poof. Oh, yeah, there it is. It poofs you like a dirt bike does. Chris, you think this thing has a hyperly sensitive alarm on it? Oh, he's trying to kill me.
Y'all gonna make me lose my mind.
Whoa! Yeah! Yeah! I think it's gonna bottom out too hard.
Yeah, that's not a good idea.
I'm bottoming out right here. Look at that. I'm gonna die. It's not a good idea.
Ray, gas! Yeah, gas! Like a boss.
Well, who's a bitch now?
Almost tripped.
All right. You ready? Yes. Thanks, Chris. I appreciate that. Mini hill climb. Yeah! It's my new dirt bike, yo. Supermoto review. I'm not sorry. Ah! Oh, a whipper there. Ah! Is my exhaust still on? Kind of need to assess my bike. All right, the muffler's on. The oil is in it. Oh, that's a big old hawk. Dude, look at him flying. Something. Is it us? Did we die? Yeah. Wait, where is everyone? Ah, there he is. There was it, boys. We're gonna done it. Whew, let's go to my house. Let's go drink some water.
Why are you hating so hard, okay?
I'm not hating. This is really cool. You just sit right back here on the back of the seat. It tickles your butthole. No, I'm not gonna poop myself. I'll be all right on that end. We out here, yo, back at it again. You know, you're me and your boy, Moose Hair, and number 2 pencil. Look at Ray. What happened? I think Rebecca was like, Ray, if you don't start doing wheelies, you're never getting this again. Never getting the. And he was all like, all right, I gotta learn how to do wheelies.
Ray, why don't you come stand right here and jump?
It's Modelo time.
It's Modelo time.